Hello, my dear students of class 11th. Welcome to English literature class. Your two stories and two poems are completed. Now I am going to start the drama The Tempest. The Tempest by William Shakespeare. Here you must know the meaning of the tempest. Tempest means furious storm, furious, terrible, furious storm, or severe sea storm. You can say severe sea storm. A storm, especially one with severe winds. Especially with severe winds, called tempest. Here is all about the tempest. You must know the characters. First of all, you must know the characters of the play, like the Merchant of Venice. You know, there were so many characters in that chapter, in that drama. In this drama also so many characters. Here is a list of the characters in your Tempest book. Here, Alonso is the king of Naples. Please pay attention. Please pay attention and learn the names and roles of the characters. It is very important. Otherwise, you won't be able to understand the whole drama. Very important thing. Alonso, it is also written in your book. You check it here. Alonso, king of Naples. Ferdinand, Alonso's son. Alonso's son is Ferdinand. Sebastian is the brother of Alonso, younger brother of Alonso. Prospero, main character, he played here, the rightful Duke of Milan. The Duke of Milan, rightful Duke of Milan. Antonio, Prospero's younger brother, the usurping Duke of Milan. He has deprived Prospero from Milan and took over the throne and started ruling over there. Gonzalo, an honest old counselor. Gonzalo, an honest old counselor of Alonso. Here small characters are Adrian, Francisco, Trinculo. First of all, Adrian and Francisco, they are the lords. Trinculo is a jester. Stefano, a drunken butler who serves the wine in the court. Master of a ship, boatmen and mariners. In the beginning, in Act 1, Scene 1, you see master of a ship. Master means captain. Master of a ship, boatsmen and mariners. Caliban here, a savage and deformed slave. savage and deformed slave. Miranda, daughter of Prospero. Miranda is daughter of Prospero. Ariel and airy spirit. He has played very important role in this drama. Very important role. Ariel and airy spirit. Airy spirit. Iris, Ceres, Juno, here presented by spirits. These were all about the characters of the play. Before starting the play, I advise you to read very carefully from the first page the story line. You please open your first page, the story line, structure of the play, plots, themes, title of the play, a romantic play, important characters in the play, like Prospero, the character of Prospero, Miranda, Caliban, Ariel, Alonso, Ferdinand, Gonzalo, Antonio, Sebastian, Stefano, Trinculo, etc. You must know about the characters. So you go through very seriously when you study it. When you are going to study it very seriously. Because without knowing the character, you won't be able to understand the text. So again, I advise you to study the characters properly. Here in Act 1, Scene 1, Act 1, Scene 1. As you know, Scene 1 is very important because this is the opening scene. Act 1, Scene 1 is always opening scene. You know, in the Merchant of Venice, in class 10th, you just passed. Act 1, Scene 1 very important because it is opening scene. It will come in examination too, questions from this scene. So you must pay attention. Now, what is in this scene, know about, and then we will go ahead. The play opens with a shipwreck. Ship destroys here. Opens with a shipwreck. A ship destroys here. The passengers are distinguished personalities, very prestigious, dignified people. Dignified personalities were sitting in the ship. The passengers are very prestigious, or you can say very dignified person. Who were sitting there? Who were sitting in the ship? They were Alonso, the king of Naples, Sebastian, Alonso's brother, Antonio, the usurping Duke of Milan, Ferdinand, the son of Alonso, Gonzalo, an honest old counselor, and others. A terrible storm is blowing together with the noise of thunder and lightning. A furious storm is blowing together with the noise of thunder and lightning. There seems to be no hope of survival. it seemed that no one would be survive. No one would be able to save his or her life. There seems to be no hope of survival of anybody. Most of the passengers are screaming. They are screaming, shrieking, and shouting in desperation, hopelessness, in hopelessness, because they understood that the ship is going to sink. The ship is going to sink in this furious storm. So, so the passengers are screaming and shouting in hopelessness. The storm, representing chaos, disorder, violence, and disruption, gives the play a title. The title has been given by the violence, the storm representing chaos, violence, and disruption, gives the play the title. In my next video, I will start Act 1, Scene 1. But till then, you please read whatever I advised you to study. Thank you so much.